Welcome to my channel, and today we will go through the meat section in Robinson again, and I will try to make some comments. So this is a very expensive frozen meat. So you see, this is an Angus or US corned beef feed with huge price up to 3,000 per kilo for ribeye or some other premium cut it. But I don't understand this cut, because it's ribs, but they cut it very thick, so it's not suitable for steak. You need to be cut it thin. And this T-bone steak looks properly because it's got some tenderloin bit. But 1,174 peso, it's a little bit too much. But it's nice marbling, so it is a lot of fat. I think this is a good choice for beef, for steak, but a little bit too expensive. And let's have a look what they've got on other section. No, I'm not looking for the ready-made sausages or pate. I wanna see the real meat here. So, this is very thinly Asian style cutted steaks. I don't like how they cut the feet. Not very nice. Beef top round, 563 peso. Beef tendons, nice for soup. Short ribs, ribeye again is cut very thinly. Yeah, I don't know what this cut is. So you see, this is short ribs, very nice for stew or for smoking. Yeah, this one. Yeah. And this is pork. It's almost like a bacon. This one. So you can take it and salt it, probably. And this is the face. Yeah, it's just skin from the head. What else? Just flower fat. What's a flower fat? So lean bone cubes. So, okay, at least they've got nice fat. What else they have? Again, a lot of different pork cuts. But the price you can see, 360, 280, and belly it's 390 with skin. This is a leg part with bones. They like to slice thinly with bones, a little bit. Pork liver 146, and some minced ground beef 333. You cannot see price for the pork. This is a ox triple, a little bit dirty, but still nice. What else? This is marinated pork for barbecue. Again, T-bone with removed tenderloin section. Where is the tenderloin? I don't know. I never saw the tenderloin. Again, this is a nice shin beef with bones. It's cut it slightly thin, but not tenderloin. Neck is, again, difficult to see which part of the neck it is. Okay. Pork feet, again, chopped with bones. So why they like to chop bones so much? So, pork ribs looks okay. Again, pork steak, again with bones. This is a leg bit. Kavali. This for lechon kavali?
Which one?
This one, 380. Why it's called kavali?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's for lechon kawal.
Yeah. But I think for adobo it's too fatty, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too fatty for pork adobo. Frozen belly pork again. Too fatty. And again, T-bone is beef T-bone without any.
Green. No, it's not.
Again, it's not T-bone. It's just ribs. So it's basically it's ribeye, but it's very thin. Sirloin to thin. They call it beef stroganoff, but for beef stroganoff you should use tenderloin, not the leg cut. And it looks like beef cubes, and stroganoff made from the shin beef. And shin beef is not suitable for stroganoff because you need to cook it for 2 hours at least. Ground beef is nice. Pork, you see, it's 300 for pork and 500 for beef. Very thin sliced beef. Probably nice. And this is stir fry shreds. So they already cut it, so you don't need to worry about cutting. Kimchi, it is shin beef. Interesting, they use names from all around the world. I don't understand why. So, for example, do you know what's how it's called? What's a kimchi and what's the difference between kimchi and caldereta? But both of them are shin beef. So basically, it's a bottom part of the leg. What next? A lot of pork, but pork again, it's quite repeating what they. Yeah, this is pork liver, pork ear base. So base of ears, very interesting. At least they've got full pattern from 273 peso, which is approximately 4 pound per kilo. In England, you can buy 2 pound per whole leg, which is much cheaper. Again, pata slices. Yes, very expensive. Pork is very expensive here in compare with England. Yeah, and again, bacon slices are quite nice. So we need to find tenderloin if you can. Let's go to next section. So and here is the chicken. Whole chicken, 195 per kilo. What about this price? 195 per kilo. Good price. For 195. It's a good one. Yeah.
Less than 1 kilo.
Yeah, because drumstick is 200, so it is quite good price. This chicken is 230 per kilo. Why it's so cheap and this is more expensive? Ah. This is a chopped chicken with unknown parts, only bones usually. Soup pack. Yeah, some cuts are very strange. Chicken neck, nice for soup. Tights, drumstick, so you see the prices. So do remember that 50 peso is $1 or 70 peso is 1 pound. This is marinated chicken, looks a little bit scary. Different brand of chickens. So give different price, so maybe we need to ask local people what the difference between brands. So we see the price. And this is native chicken. Native chicken is very nice for soup or for all other slow cooking processes where you need to enjoy with the flavor of the chicken. And let's go to see. And now miserable section with fish. You see this fish like this tilapia is already smelly, very dry, and I don't advise you to buy this marinated fish. Never buy them here. They look not very fresh. Yeah? And ginamos. Looks strange, no. And squid is a little bit too expensive. I think it's calamari, but anyway. So let's find some turkey now. And the last bit, it's a little bit of frozen chicken from abroad, which costs 265 per kilo. It's total price for 1.4 kilo, so it is quite good price. And also you can see the whole turkey here. 3,880 peso per this chunk of turkey, which is 5 kilo. 600 peso per kilo. Sounds a little bit too expensive, but okay, this is everything which I can show you about fresh meat and poultry section in Robinson. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you, bye.